Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to boost LD player performance. Full Guide 2026. If your LD player is lagging, running slow, or giving low FPS while gaming, then this video will help you optimize everything step by step for smooth and fast performance. First, make sure your PC virtualization is enabled. Virtualization allows LD player to use your CPU properly and gives a huge performance boost. To check this, open Task Manager, go to the Performance tab and see if virtualization shows enabled. If it is disabled, you need to enable it from BIOS settings. Next, open LD Player settings and go to the Performance section. Set CPU cores according to your processor, usually 2 or 4 cores work best. Then increase RAM allocation depending on your system memory. If you have 8 GB RAM, set around 4 GB for LD Player. This helps games run smoother without freezing. Now move to display settings, choose a lower resolution like 1280 by 720 if you experience lag, set DPI to medium and enable high FPS mode only if your PC supports it. Also set FPS to 60 for stable gameplay. After that, switch the graphics rendering mode, try Open GL first, and if performance is not smooth, change to DirectX and restart LD Player. Different PCs perform better with different rendering engines. Another important step is enabling dedicated GPU usage. Go to Windows Graphics Settings and set LD Player to high performance mode so your graphics card handles the emulator instead of integrated graphics. You should also close background apps before running LD Player. Programs like browsers, screen recorders, or unnecessary startup apps consume RAM and CPU power, which causes lag. Update your graphics drivers regularly because outdated drivers often create performance issues in emulators. Keeping Windows and LD Player updated also improves stability and compatibility with new games. Inside the game settings, reduce graphics quality, disable shadows, and lower effects if FPS drops during gameplay. These small adjustments greatly improve performance on low-end PCs. Finally, clean temporary files and make sure your storage drive has enough free space. SSD storage provides much faster loading times compared to HDD. So by applying all these optimization tips, you can significantly boost LD player performance, reduce lag, and enjoy smooth gaming even on mid-range PCs. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.